This all-wheel drive 2021 Prius Hybrid looks great in super white with an aerodynamic design, LED headlights, tinted glass, and 15-inch alloy wheels. Around the back, the Prius features color-matched mirrors and door handles, a shark fin antenna, blue accented hybrid emblems, and LED taillights. Opening the hatch reveals a carpeted cargo bay that includes a security cover. From the driver's side, the Prius's streamlined look continues with a large draped front windshield, blacked-out grille, and fog lights. Inside, the cabin feels roomy and modern. It features two-tone cloth upholstery, automatic air conditioning, heated seats, power windows and locks, dynamic radar cruise control, push-button start, tilt steering, and an AM, FM, XM radio display audio system with Bluetooth, an energy monitor, and a backup camera. There's plenty of room for passengers in the back, along with a drop-down center console and 60/40 fold-down seat backs. Power comes from a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder gas-electric Synergy drivetrain mated to an automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. Call today and book your test drive in this 2021 Prius Hybrid, or stop by for a look. We're located at 1200 Leith Head Road in Kelowna.